excited. I've got like fear and excitement at the same time right now. It's finally here on the 7th floor of the Museum of the Future. This is the Audi AICon. Check it out. So the first thing that you have to notice is the over 600 3D pixels that are on here. And it's not just lights, they're actually 3D pixels that come out. When it's red, it means that there's cars coming and I'm in danger. This is me as a pedestrian. And once it turns green, it tells me that it's safe for me to walk across the road in safety. How cool is that? The car is completely autonomous. Why would it need a side mirror if the car can drive? Which just absolutely blows my mind. But look how long this car is. It's 5.4 meters long. Audi, open the doors. Check this out. There's absolutely nothing coming down here, and you can just see how much space is inside. Super cool about these seats is they actually move forward and backwards, but not just the seats, the whole carpet shifts with you forward and backwards. Look at this roof, fully glass, and gives you just complete access to the outside world. Once you put your display on and the car comes alive, you get Pia, your personal AI assistant, and that's where the AI in Icon comes from. Pia just helps you navigate, gets your temperature of the car, gets the ambient lighting, does everything that you want, and she connects to your phone. Not only is the full front touchscreen, but so is the side of the car right over here. Since we have no steering wheel and no pedals, I guess this is where I sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. This is such a weird feeling. You feel like you're in a complete spaceship.